I'm Luka. I am running an AI development agency focusing on custom web development, and we've been working on different projects from LLM integrations, customer support chatbots, basically anything that people need in this AI era, mostly focusing on custom web development. I've been in BMI for a little over 2 years. In those 2 years, I managed to expand the agency quite a lot, working on multiple different projects, big, complex projects at the same time. I'm having a full-time team. Currently, there's 6 of us. We're hiring now for the 7-person big international team, which is really quite nice. We managed to achieve last month 45K in revenue and the month before 54K. What I learned in BMI is definitely sales. As I started as a developer, I had no experience freelancing or going on sales calls or similar things, and I managed to improve quite a lot. I was absolutely sure that I wasn't a people person, let's call it like that, before joining BMI, but I managed to really get to a point where I feel comfortable in sales calls and just thinking about myself 3 years earlier, if I would be able to do these things that I'm doing today, I would have thought that it's impossible. So really a lot of progress, both in sales, learning to hire, and running the whole company from the operational perspective. I started from zero, and I think I learned quite a lot and improved quite a lot. And of course, there's still room to improvement, but I think I'm in a very, very good place. In BMI, the people I learned from were instructors and also peers who have similar experiences and similar problems as myself. For example, with instructors, I've been able to learn a lot from people that do custom web development, that do AI development, that do mobile app development. A lot of the times it wasn't exactly the same industry, the same service that I was doing, but there was a lot of overlap because the processes are mostly the same with all custom web development. And not only the instructors who have a lot of experience, who I'm able to act like a sponge and absorb as much knowledge as I can, but also from peers, because even people who have the same experience level with running their companies as me, they can also run into different problems, which are definitely valuable to learn from, and then we can help each other. So a very, very diverse group of people with different experience levels and different knowledge and different situations, which I think is extremely valuable to learn and to get knowledge from. For future plans, the goal is in the next year to get to 100K revenue a month and hopefully expand the company with the same pace of reaching that revenue. And down the line, I'm hoping of launching some sort of product, either some sort of internal tool that we will be able to market or some sort of package, but either way, give something out to the public that's our own. In general, BMI is for anyone who wants to be their own boss in the sense that they can work on things that they want to work on. Now, that doesn't mean that you'll be working on only the things that you love. Of course, there will be a bunch of things that you need to work on in your company that will be boring or that will be mundane. But BMI is definitely for people who want to have a blank canvas to express either their creativity or their organizational skills or any sort of skills that allow them to build every single day towards a goal of theirs. And of course, the biggest bonus there is reaching financial independence, because it definitely allows you to build a skill set that will enable you to be set for life if you're hardworking enough. And I think these things are not taught in any sort of school or university. That's for sure.